All right, welcome to the construction update of Giga Mexico. This is August 31st, 2023. So there is actually not much happening right now. But before we take a look at the update, let me first thank all of my new supporters. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're the ones that make this possible. And with your support and the community support, we're gonna be keeping doing these videos for a long time. So again, thank you. Now, one thing that I want to show you is that on the next video, we're going to be taking a look into some of the neighbors of the Mexico Gigafactory, so keep an eye on it. Now, for this week, the only thing that we have is that the surveying team that was working on the toll road, it's now gone. And I have taken some feedback from the people, and they have told me that this construction crew is probably just working on the overpass that is going to be on the toll road, and it's actually shown on the Giga Mexico render. So if we take a look there, you'll see that we have that small bridge at the end of the image. So that's probably what they were working on. Other than that, there is nothing new happening. We also take a look into the Hacienda. With that said, let's go ahead and take a fly over the Giga Mexico site.